next, let's take a look at trigonometric basic identities. So, there are three formulas in this subtopic. First, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then, tangent square theta plus 1 equal to secant square theta. The last one is 1 plus cotangent square theta equals to cosecant square theta. And we use these three formulas very frequent in this topic. Now let's take a look at this example. We are asked to prove that cos square x over 1 minus sine x equals to 1 plus sine x. So how do we do it? First, we start from the left hand side. Left hand side, alright? So cos square x minus 1 minus sine x. So cos square x. From these three equations, which one we can use? Okay, we use the first one. So cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. Alright? So this is 1 minus sine x. Right? Then this 1 minus sine square x we can rewrite into 1 minus sine x 1 plus sine x over 1 minus sine x. Alright? So this 1 minus sine x multiply 1 plus sine x, we can get 1 minus sine square x. So how do we get it? So here, let's take a look at here. 1 minus sine x, 1 plus sine x. So we expand it. 1, 1. So 1 plus sine square, sine x. So minus sine x multiply 1 minus sine x. Minus sine x multiply plus sine x is minus sine square x. So this and this cancel out. We better have 1 minus sine square x. Right? Meaning the numerator is equal to here. Right? Then you can see 1 minus sine x, 1 minus sine x. Balance 1 plus sine x. Proven. Alright? So cos square x over 1 minus sine x is equal to 1 plus sine x, which is given by the question, and we have proved it. Let's take a look at this example. Given by the questions, we are asked to find all the angle that in between 0 and 360 and satisfies these equations. So 5 cosecant square x plus 26 cotangent x equals to 0. How do we find the angle? Alright, so cosecant square. Which of these we can use? Cosecant square. Right, can use the second one. Cosecant square equals to 1 plus cotangent square. Alright, so this will be 5 1 plus cotangent square x plus 26 cotangent x equals to 0. Alright? Now multiply 5 into 8, you get 5 plus 5 cotangent square x plus 26 cotangent x equals to 0. Right? So here we rearrange it, make it simpler for us. 5 cotangent square plus 26 cotangent x plus 5. So we can factorize it, right? Here will be 5 cotangent x. Cotangent x. Right? 5, 1. Plus. So let's check whether this is equal to this. Okay? 5 cotangent x multiply cotangent x, you get 5 cotangent x squared. Right? 1 multiply 5, you get 5. 5 cotangent x multiply 5, you get 25 cotangent x plus 1 cotangent x, you get 26 cotangent x. Right? Then, now this term equals to 0 and this term equals to 0, so that we can equals to 0. So 5 cotangent x plus 1 equals to 0. Then 5 over tangent x. Cotangent x is 1 over tangent plus 1 equals to 0. Then we can say 5 over tangent x equals to minus 1. Then we can say tangent x equals to minus 5. Tangent x moving to right hand side, minus 1 moves to left hand side. Alright? So x equals to arctangent minus 5. So arctangent minus 5, we get minus 78.69 degree. However, we are asked to find the value of x in between 0 and 360 degree. So this tangent is a negative. So remember, right over here, all sine, tan, cos. Alright? Negative tangent, which quadrant? Second and fourth quadrant. Alright? So in this negatives are 78.69, this 180 minus this one, right? So x is equal to 180 minus 78.69, and then 360 minus 78.69 degree. So how much we get? 180 minus 78.69, we get 101.31 degree. 360 minus 78.69, we get 281.31 degree. Alright? Another part, cotangent x plus 5 equals to 0. So cotangent x is 1 over tangent x equals to minus 5. So here moving to right hand side, left hand side move to right hand side, right hand side move to left hand side, we get tangent x equals to 1 over minus 5. So x equals to arctangent 1 over minus 5, and x is equal to minus 11.31, right? So negative at second and fourth quadrant. So x will be 180 minus 11.31. Second one is 360 minus 11.31. How much we get? 31. We get 168.69 degree. 360 minus 11.31. We get 348.69 degree. Alright, therefore x is equal to 101.31 degree, then 168.69 degree, then 281.31 degree, last one is 348.69 degree. If you have any questions regarding this subtopic, feel free to comment below this video and we will further explain it to you.